I can do a quick demo. Uh, Sorry. There we go. Can you all see my browser with rippling on it?
Yep.
Cool, thank you. Okay, I see, there it is, okay. Um, so in rippling, we now have an app called Omni Scim, and that actually integrates rippling with our Omni users and groups. So you can see here's all the list of users that have an account in Omni. You'll notice Gustav doesn't have an account on our Omni instance yet, so let's invite him. Hopefully this works. All right, let's go over to Omni. Admin, users. Did we get Gustav? We did. All right, Gustav's now got an account on Omni. He also, let's see, he should be in the, where'd he go? I lost him. There he is. All right, let's refresh him. Where is he? There he is. Okay, so he needs to be put into some groups. You know, in Omni, he's not yet in any groups, but we need to get him into the engineering group. So over here in rippling, we can look at the definition of engineering. Oh, you know why? It's because Gustav doesn't have a team set up. So we got to go back to rippling. Jonathan, rippling teams. Where is this? Organizational data. Yeah, I'll give you a different example. We can just add them directly. So the way we have rippling set up is to use this team dimension. I'm not going to set that up for Gustav yet because it's going to take too many steps. I'll do that later, but I can also just add them individually. So I can insert them into this team. And then so what Scim is an API that rippling knows how to talk to configure users and groups. So we've added Gustav to the engineering group directly. If I go over here to groups and I look at engineering, and cool, we can see that Gustav got added to the engineering group. So long story short, we now support Scim, user provisioning, group provisioning, and I actually have user attribute setting working as well. Unfortunately, rippling does not support the idea of setting a custom sort of non-standard attribute. So that will not work with rippling, but it does work with Okta. So that's probably much more common anyway. My goal is to make sure we support Okta and Active Directory as sort of the two most common scenarios here. So yeah, we've got, I think once the user attributes gets merged, which should be hopefully today, we've got sort of the full Scim story covered with user provisioning and so forth. So hopefully that'll help us with all of our bigger prospects and customers.